Hello students, welcome to my botany class. Today we will discuss about cell, the structural and functional unit of life. Okay, here we start. All organisms are made of microscopic cells. Cells of all organisms have close similarities in structure, molecular organization, and biological activities. Cells are the basic units of living organisms. The term cell was coined by an English botanist, Robert Hooke, in 1665. Clear? Then there are two types of organisms. One, unicellular organisms, and two, multicellular organisms. First, unicellular organisms. Example are amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, chlamydomonas. These have only one cell. Okay, and in case of multicellular organisms, example volvox, rose, mosquito, mango, human, etc. We all are multicellular. Many cells are present in these organisms' bodies. Okay, cells are very small and can be seen through microscope. Okay, cells are very small and can be seen through microscope. Under the microscope we can see only cell. In the naked eye we cannot see cells. Smallest cells are certain bacteria, RBC in human, etc. These are smallest cells. And the longest cells are nerve cells. We can discuss this in our next class. Largest cells are birds' eggs. As we know, eggs are unicellular, and these are largest cell which we can see in naked eyes. Robert Brown in 1831 discovered nucleus in orchid root. In the plant of orchid, the root, in that plant root, Robert Brown discovered nucleus, which is the central part of the cell, center of the cell. Then Swan in 1839 generalized all the facts about cells and presented theory called cell theory. That means cell theory is presented by Swan. Then we will come to cell theory. All living beings are composed of tiny unit structures known as cells and their products. As you know, cells cannot be seen naked eye. It can see only through microscope, electronic microscope. So our body and all the organisms are composed of tiny unit structure, that is called cells. The cells are structural and functional units of organisms. Okay, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition and metabolic activities. Metabolic activities mean construction and destruction. In our body, in plants and in animals, multicellular or animals and plants, the metabolic activities always occurs. Okay, each cell contains a centrally placed nucleus in the protoplasm. We will discuss it later. The function of an organism as a whole is the outcome of the activities and interactions of the constituent cells. Okay, then we will come to the exception of cell theory. Though Swan have proposed the cell theory, but there is some exception in that cell theory. That those are viruses are not cellular, bacteria, though cellular, are without a true nucleus. That means the nuclear material is not bounded by the nuclear membrane. In the bacteria, the nuclear membrane is absent. And certain algae such as Baucaria and fungi such as Mucor, Rhizophus have their bodies made up of the undivided mass of protoplasm and numerous nuclei are embedded in it. As you know, in the cell theory, there is only one nucleus in one cell, but in case of these algae and fungi, there are numerous nuclei in one cell. Okay, then we will come to cell shapes. RBC in human body are circular and biconcave to transport oxygen. Cells are in different shapes. In plants and animals, cells are in different shapes, and RBC in human body are circular and biconcave, and the work of RBC is to transport oxygen. Similarly, WBC are amoeboid that can squeeze out through capillary walls, and nerve cells are long to conduct impulse. Nerve cells present in our brain are longest. Previously we have said nerve cells are long to conduct impulse. And guard cells of stomatal pores. In case of plant, there are stomata and stomatal pores. The guard cells of those stomatal pores are bean shaped, as in human kidney. Human kidneys are in bean shaped, and the stomatal guard cells are bean shaped. Okay, these are the basic concepts of cells, and in the next class we will discuss about structure of cells. Till then, take care, stay safe.